Yeah, so good evening. So we'll start the breathing exercise today. I hope I'm audible, right? Okay. Uh, so so today the first breathing exercise you are going to see is called yogic breathing. So it's a very simple technique. Basically, see when you breathe, no, when your chest expands, that is normal breathing. If your chest doesn't expand and your belly expands, then that is called yogic breathing. ஸோ I'll repeat in தமிழ் ஆல்சோ. நம்ம நார்மலாக சுவாசிக்கிறப்போ நம்மளோட இந்த நெஞ்சு இருக்கு இல்லையா, இது வந்து விரிஞ்சுதுன்னா அது வந்து நம்ம நார்மல் பிரீத்திங் சொல்கிறோம். அதுக்கு பதிலாக நம்மளோட வயிறு வந்து வெளியில் போயிட்டு உள்ளே வந்தது அப்படின்னா அதுதான் வந்து யோகிக் பிரீத்திங். ஸோ லெட்ஸ் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் why is it called yogic breathing? Because generally if you see the babies, small babies, they breathe only that way. You can observe, you can see the small babies, how they are breathing, especially while they are sleeping. Typically, their belly will come in. So that's how they breathe. But if you see, the other people, you can see, many other people. The way they breathe is like when they breathe, their heart will go out and come in, right? I mean, their chest will go out and come in, right? ஸோ I'll repeat in தமிழ் ஆல்சோ. ஸோ நார்மலாக குழந்தைங்க அந்த சுவாசிக்கிறப்ப பார்த்தோம்னா அவங்களோட வயிறு மட்டும்தான் வெளியில் போயிட்டு உள்ளே வரும். பட் ஆனால் நம்ம சுவாசிக்கிறப்ப பார்த்தோம்னா நம்மளோட அந்த நெஞ்சு இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது மட்டும் வெளியில் போயிட்டு உள்ளே வரும். ஸோ அதனால வந்து கரெக்டான மெத்தட் எது அப்படின்னா, இஃப் யூ சி வாட் இஸ் த கரெக்ட் மெத்தட், யோகிக் பிரீத்திங் இஸ் த கரெக்ட் மெத்தட். ஸோ வை இஸ் யோகிக் பிரீத்திங் கரெக்ட் மெத்தட்? பிகாஸ் you observe enough oxygen. So what happens, I'll explain this also. That see, you have a chest here, right? There is a chest bone here. Inside that you have heart. Inside that there is a lung, and here there is something called a diaphragm, and below that you have your stomach, right? So the stomach is actually lying on the diaphragm. So generally what happens when you breathe, I'll repeat in Tamil also. நம்ம சுவாசிக்கிறப்ப என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னு, சுவாசிக்கிறப்ப என்ன இருக்கு, நம்ம மேலே வந்து இங்கே எலும்பு இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த எலும்பு இருக்குது, அந்த எலும்புக்குள்ளே நம்மளோட இதயம் இருக்குது, அதுக்குள்ளே வந்து நம்மளோட லங்ஸ் இருக்குது இல்லையா, நுரையீரல் இருக்குது, அதுக்கு கீழே வந்து இந்த இடத்துல டயஃப்ரம்னு ஒன்று இருக்கும், அதுக்கு கீழே வயிறு இருக்குது. ஸோ வாட் ஹேப்பன்ஸ் when you breathe through this one, right? What happens, this chest bone is actually, it's very strong, right? This chest bone is very strong. So your lung cannot expand, right? It cannot expand beyond this. And over a period of time, if you start breathing through this, these bones become weaker. But if you breathe through stomach, what happens is when you breathe through stomach, this diaphragm goes down, okay? Because the stomach goes out and the diaphragm goes down. So your lung expands. So your lung, let's say lung is like this, it just expands. It expands downwards. So you can breathe in enough oxygen, right? The more oxygen you breathe, right? The more air you breathe, the more oxygen you can get in your blood. And the more oxygen you get in your blood, you can remove the CO2 from your blood, right? That's the whole purpose of breathing. I'll repeat in Tamil also. So இதனால் நம்ம நெஞ்சில் சுவாசிக்கிறப்ப என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா, இந்த விலா எலும்பு இருக்கு இல்லையா, இது வந்து ரொம்ப தடிமனாக இருக்கும். இது வந்து அந்த லங்ஸை வந்து விரிய விடாது, நுரையில விரிய விடாது. ஸோ அப்படியே அழுத்தி பிடிக்கும். அதனால நம்ம சுவாசிக்கிற ஆக்சிஜன் வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியாக தான் இருக்கும், காற்று கம்மியாக இருக்கும், அதுலேருந்து நமக்கு கிடைக்கிற ஆக்சிஜன் வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியாக இருக்கும். அதுக்கு பதிலாக நம்ம வயிறுலேருந்து பிரேக் பண்ணுறப்ப என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா, இந்த இடத்துல இருக்கிற அந்த வயிறு வெளியில் வர்றப்போ அந்த டயஃப்ரம் கீழே இறங்கும். அந்த டயஃப்ரம் கீழே இறங்குறப்ப என்ன ஆகும்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, அந்த நுரையீரல் வந்து இன்னும் பெருசாக விரியும், கீழே விரியும். அப்போ நமக்கு வந்து நிறையா சுவாசிக்க முடியும். ஸோ தட்ஸ் த ஹோல் ஐடியா. ஓகே, ஸோ நவ் வீல் ப்ராக்டிஸ் திஸ் பிரீத்திங். இட்ஸ் வெரி சிம்பிள். ஐ வில் டெல் யூ த டெக்னிக். யூ புட் ஒன் ஹேண்ட் ஹியர், okay, and put one hand in your stomach, okay? So keep both the hands here and just make sure that your this hand shouldn't move. You should try to breathe in, breathe out only with the stomach, okay? I will repeat in Tamil. ரெண்டு கை வச்சுக்கணும். இங்கே ஒரு கை, நம்ம வயிற்றுல ஒரு கை. இந்த கை வந்து அசையவே கூடாது. நம்ம சுவாசிக்கிறப்ப இந்த கை அசையவே கூடாது, வயிற்றுல இருக்கிற கை மட்டும்தான் அசையணும். So how do you breathe? When you breathe in, your belly should go out. When you breathe out, your belly will automatically go in. Okay, just make sure your belly goes out when you breathe in. I will repeat in Tamil. ஸோ நம்ம எப்படி சுவாசிக்கணும் அப்படின்னா, இந்த கை அசையக்கூடாது, நம்ம காற்றை உள்ளே இழுக்கிறப்போ நம்ம வயிறு வெளியில் வரணும். அது மட்டும் நீங்கள் பண்ணால் போதும். ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா, அந்த காற்று வந்து நம்ம திருப்பி நம்ம வெளியில் விடுறப்போ என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா, அந்த வயிறு உள்ளே போயிடும். ஓகே, And you may find it difficult to do this in sitting. It's very difficult to do in sitting. So what you can do, you can try today as much as possible. But when you are lying down in the bed, அது நம்ம படுத்துட்டு இருக்க பொசிஷன் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அப்போ சுவாசிச்சோம் அப்படின்னா when you do that time it will be easy. Okay, you can practice this when you are sleeping or when you are lying in the bed. Okay, so now I'll repeat this again. So you just breathe in. No, don't move this. I mean, this hand shouldn't move at all. Okay, just make sure this hand doesn't move, and only breathe in through your stomach. That is, you push your stomach outside, so the air will go inside. Okay, and then when you breathe out, automatically your stomach will go inside. Okay. Anybody has any doubt? Okay, so we'll start. So we'll play Om chanting. So during Om, try to inhale as much as possible. Okay, one more thing is when you inhale, don't inhale very forcefully, and inhale very continuously. Okay, inhale continuously as much as possible. ஸோ நீங்கள் சுவாசிக்கிறப்ப நல்ல காற்றை இழுங்க, ரொம்ப ஃபோர்ஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இழுக்க வேண்டாம், மெதுவாக காற்றை இழுத்தா போதும், கண்டினியூஸாக இருக்கணும், விட்டு விட்டு இழுக்கக்கூடாது. யூ ஷுட் நாட் ஜஸ்ட் ஸ்டாப் இட் அண்ட் தென் அகைன் லைக் தட் யூ ஷுட் நாட் டூ. ஓகே, யூ ஷுட் பிரீத் இன் வெரி ஸ்லோலி like this. And another thing is breathing as much as possible, and hold for some time, right? So these two you do during the Om chanting. After the Om is done, exhale out, okay, and then relax, and then repeat the exercise back when the next Om starts. Okay, yeah, we'll start now. Let's try. Put your one hand here and one hand in the belly. Let's start. Exhale now and relax. Exhale slowly and relax. Exhale slowly and relax. Exhale slowly and relax. Exhale slowly. Hold the breath. Exhale slowly and relax. Exhale slowly. Breath. Exhale slowly and relax. Just relax. Yes. Breath. Exhale slowly. Relax. Inhale slowly. We are breathing out. The breath. Exhale slowly. Relax. Slowly. Breathing out. The breath. Exhale slowly. Relax. Inhale slowly. Breathing out. Hold the breath. Exhale slowly. Relax. Inhale slowly. Hold the breath. Exhale slowly. Relax. Inhale slowly. Hold the breath. Exhale slowly. Relax. Inhale slowly. Breathing out. Hold the breath. Exhale slowly. Relax. Inhale slowly. Hold the breath. Exhale slowly. Relax. Just relax. Breathing out. Hold the breath. Exhale slowly. Relax. Inhale slowly. Breathe out. Hold the breath. Exhale. Relax. Inhale slowly. Breathe out. Hold the breath. Exhale slowly. Relax. Inhale slowly. Hold the breath. Exhale slowly. Relax. Exhale slowly. Relax. Breathe out. Hold the breath. Exhale slowly. Relax. Breathe out. Hold the breath. Exhale slowly. Relax. Okay, so I think that is enough for today. How did you find? Was it easy or difficult? Anybody found it easy?
Uh, yeah, I found it a bit difficult to breathe. I was sitting up, so I had to make an effort to remember to breathe it into the stomach.
Yeah, I think continuous exercise, within 1 or 2 weeks, if you continuously try this, then your breath will change. After that, your
Okay.
chest will never expand after that.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Sorry, if I, Meera, if I am breathing by in sitting position, I
Okay.
am not able to do it properly. If
Yeah.
I am lying down and doing it, I can feel it, and I can feel. I actually I have to observe and do it. So it is in the beginning. It is, but if I am sitting, I am not able to. My chest is moving forward. If I am sitting and doing, my
Correct.
chest
That's why
is moving forward. If I
you are
am
right,
lying,
madam. Actually, you are absolutely right. That's what
uh,
I told you in the beginning that
uh,
it will be difficult to do while sitting. So
okay.
what you can do is you can try this, while lying down before going to bed, before sleeping. You
Okay.
can try it out, and
Okay. If I
after
if
some, sorry, madam.
okay. Okay.
Yeah.
If we are how is there any food? Food is digestion likewise after to for we are taking dinner night time. So will it in any way affect this?
Yeah, definitely. Because when your stomach is very full, right, then it will be difficult to move your stomach, right,
Okay.
belly. So
How
you can
many?
practice
Okay.
this in
Right.
the morning. Yeah, you can do this in the morning. See,
Morning.
when you are
Okay.
lying down, it's very easy to practice. No, it's very easy. You can practice.
Early morning while getting up, it will be app time.
Yeah, correct. You can try that in the morning,
Okay.
and in the night also. No, even before sleeping, when you go to bed, you can
Okay.
practice it, and it's very easy. No, it
Okay.
looks very difficult, but after
Uh,
let's say after 1 or 2 weeks, no, you will start. No, see, only thing you have to wear a very light dress. You should not wear a tight dress. No?
okay.
Your belly should be allowed to
Okay.
move
Okay.
in, move out. That's the only thing. So for
Right.
gents,
Right. Right.
if they are wearing belt, pants and all, it will be difficult. Similarly, if you are wearing pajama or something and then you are tying, it will be difficult. So if you
Okay. We have to relax it.
yeah, a loose dress would
We
actually
can
help you.
relax and do it.
Correct, correct, correct.
Okay. Fine. Fine. Thank you.
Sure. Okay, so I think we'll stop here because if you do this, it will be very exhausting. So you try it out at home and change your breath. This is very important. Actually, scientifically they have proven that if you breathe through stomach, you absorb a lot of oxygen in one breath because your absorbing your volume of the oxygen. See, actually, what happens is lungs has a lot of small cells, like it is like sponge. So it needs oxygen to revive itself. So if enough oxygen doesn't go inside, That's why you see when during COVID times, this COVID patients, they get lung infections, right? Because the lung is filled with the liquid, and enough oxygen doesn't go inside. So that's why they pick up all the lung problems. So the important part here is that you should observe. You should inhale as much air as possible, so that your lung can absorb enough oxygen. So this is very important. And especially when you do this, one thing that that many people don't know is that the amount of energy that you absorb from air, that energy also increases. So generally when we breathe in, breathe out, energy comes inside our body and then goes outside. So that is actually tied with our respiration rate. So for example, when you breathe out, energy goes out. When you breathe in, energy comes in. So that amount of energy that comes in and goes out will also be more when you do yogic breathing. That is why it is called yogic breathing. You try it out at home. It's very easy. I mean, within 1 week, we'll definitely master it. 1 or 2 weeks. And from next, I think Friday when we meet, we'll practice some more techniques. There are many other techniques are there. So those techniques we'll try it out. Okay. Okay. Thanks everyone. Good night and see you again at Friday. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.